Hi dear students, I am Shivani Agarwal and you are watching my YouTube Expression Students Club. In today's video, I am going to present the solution of 2019 paper for general awareness. This subject general awareness is meant for the students of BA, BSc and BCom second year from CCS University. From 1 to 75th questions we have already discussed in previous 3 videos. In today's video, I am going to take from 76 to last. So our first question is, on what date the Consumer Protection Act become effective? So Consumer Protection Act was effective on 24th December 1986. Consumer Protection Act became effective on 24th December 1986. Next question is, how many chapters are there in Human Right Protection Act? So there are 8 chapters in Human Right Protection Act 1993. IRBD is related to World Bank. IRBD is related to World Bank. Next one is, NHRC is significant to National Human Right Commission. NHRC is significant to National Human Right Commission. Very important question. Next question is, Human Right Protection Bill passed by Indian Parliament in the year 1993. Next question is, how many articles are there in Declaration Letter of Human Rights by UNO? So there are 30 articles in Declaration Letter of Human Rights by UNO. Next question is, IFC is related to IFC. You must know IFC is a separate law and body. It is a separate law and body. Next one is, how many members are there in General Assembly of UNO? So there are 193 members in General Assembly of UNO. So General Assembly of UNO consists 193 members. Option C is the right answer. Moving ahead to our next question, in which year UNO was established? So UNO was formed on 24th October 1945. UNO was established on 24th October 1945. Next question is, how much majority is needed to take important decision in General Assembly by UNO? So two-third majority is needed to take important decisions in General Assembly of UNO. Next one is, Mars was projected to space from which place? From Sri Harikota, and Sri Harikota is in Andhra Pradesh, and Mars was projected to space on 2:38 p.m. by it was just launched by PSLV-C-25. So it was launched by PSLV-C-25. Moving ahead to our next question, which should be kept fast as per English dictionary. So this is a reasoning question, and since option C is the correct answer, since A comes at the very first, at the very outset, so transport should come at the first in English dictionary. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Next question is, Kolkata is situated on the bank of Hooghly. Option B. Next question is, which American president given the name of United Nations? So Roosevelt was the American president who gave America the name of United Nations. Actually, American President Roosevelt and British Prime Minister Winston Churchill combinedly gave the name America to United Nations. Moving ahead to our next question, some are the reasoning questions in between. For reasoning questions, I would expect you to just watch our playlist reasoning videos. So 91 question, moving ahead to our 91st question, GST is related to which constitutional amendment? So GST is related to 122nd amendment of Constitution. Next question is, World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Who was awarded the title of Deshbandhu? So Deshbandhu title is conferred to Chittaranjan Das. Chittaranjan Das is also known as Deshbandhu. Next is reasoning question. Choose the missing number in the following series. So it is 14. Only I am telling you the answers the way I have already told in my reasoning videos. Moving ahead to our next question, choosing the missing number. So this is the right option is 29. Choosing the missing number, right option is 81. Choosing the missing number, 97th question. Answer option C, 39 is the correct answer. And moving ahead to our next question, fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution Act. None of these. Option D is the correct option, because right option is fundamental rights are mentioned in Constitution at in part 3 since means from Article 12 to Article 15. Article 12 to Article 15 part 3. Next, choosing the missing number. Again, right option is C option, 81. And the last question is reasoning question. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. So right answer is apple, because marigold, rose, lotus are the name of flowers, while apple is the name of a fruit. One thing I would like to add over here before ending this video, this question paper 2019 is most prominent one, and I am expecting 70-75% of this question paper to be repeated in the current examination of 20 and 21. So please watch all the 4 videos, and some additional videos are also set by Students Club. So kindly go on to watch the videos. If you like the video, kindly hit a like to my video, kindly share the channel, please subscribe the channel Students Club. Happy learning, all the best.